So I'm again here with you all people for the chapter linear equations in two variable. तो बच्चे this is our chapter 4 for class 9th and this is for our lesson plan 8. In UT2 you will be this chapter will be included for UT2. So let's start this topic. First, what is linear equation? Yeah, what are linear equations? The equation of a straight line is the linear equation. It could be in one variable or two variable. तो बच्चे as we all studied in our 8th class कि what are linear equation? Linear equations are the equation in which form a line. You can see this from this only line. The word says itself, line. Means linear equation means equation. If we draw the graph of the equation, we will get a line, linear equation. Or we can say linear equation where the degree of our variable is 1. Degree of our variable is 1. That's why they are called linear equations. Okay. Now the same thing they are saying, the equation of a straight line is the linear equation. It could be in one variable or two variable. So we will study about now two variables. First, if we talk about one variable, what does it mean? That means we will be having a equation like px plus q is equals to s, where we will be finding one variable like x only. Okay. And what are they saying? Where p, q and s are real numbers and p must not be equals to 0. Because if p will be 0, so only constants will be left. So that means for linear equation we want one term with x and then constant term. So this is the example, x plus 5 is equals to 10. This is the equation, linear equation in one variable. But further in our next slide we'll learn more about it. What is that? Let's check. Okay, now see bache. Just see what are they saying. Linear equation in two variables. Any equation which can be put in the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. We can see very clearly here we have two variable bache. One is x and one is y. This a, b, c are not variable, they are constants. Okay, where a, b, c are real numbers, constant terms. And means numbers, not say constant. Constant will say to c only, a and b will say numbers. And a and b are not both zeros. Obviously, if they both will be 0, so we will not be having our linear equation. So for linear equation in two variable, we must have two variable with some constant. Equation of the type ax plus b equals to 0, like we studied in our previous slide. We can also say now they are linear equation in two variable also. How is it possible? So just see. Now if by chance we will be getting this ax plus b equals to 0, but as our topic is in two linear equations in two variable, so that means we will change this equation with two variables. How to change it? Just see. Ax, okay, ax is similar as it is, plus b, y term is not there. So term with y variable is not there. So we'll write 0 into y. Okay, plus b. Now we can compare, okay, x term is there, y term is there, and here coefficient for y is 0. 0 is real number, that they said ki a and b are real numbers only. So for an example, this 4 minus 3x equals to 0, that is also linear equation in two variable we can say. But we have to write with y 0. I hope it is clear. So let's move to next slide to do more examples. Now this is example from your NCERT book, and similar question you will be getting in your exercise, and in paper also you will be getting 1 marker question dependent on this concept. What are they saying? Write each of the following equation in the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 and indicate the value of a, b, c. Obviously bache, this is my standard form of linear equation in two variable. we have to compare these equation with this standard form, and we have to find ABC value. Okay, so just see our first equation, 2x plus 3y is equals to 4.37. 2x plus 3y is equals to 4.37. So if I'll compare it, तो चलो let's compare, let's write. तो बच्चे if I'll write above it only my standard form, so this is my ax, है ना, ax, and then plus by, okay. Writing with mouse is a little bit difficult मेरे बच्चे, तो just manage with me. Okay, and this is C. Now if I'll compare, so my A is 2, है ना, my B is 3, and C is 4.37. But just see, standard form was C must be at LHS. So bring this C this side, so it will become in minus, is equals to 0. है ना? Clear? So that is A is 2, B is 3, and C is minus 4.37. They have done this. Clear? Now, if we talk about now, just see. Now this is my x minus 4 and minus, root 3y, and equation is this. है ना? So that means here you will bring this term here, this side. What will happen? X minus root 3y minus 4 equals to 0. Now compare. Coefficient of x is 1, so A is 1. ठीक? Coefficient of y is minus root 3, so B is minus root 3. And coefficient and constant term is minus 4, so my C is minus 4. Clear? These two more examples are there. Quickly see it, these two examples, and compare them with standard form, and immediately take out A, B, C. I am waiting for you people. Quickly wait, do it, and I am waiting for you people. Hopefully done now. Let's move to next slide. Okay, but now this question, as we studied, कि we have one variable, but we want to write in two variable. So what we will do? So we will make coefficient of another variable as 0. Then it will be sorted out. Like first you see, x equals to minus 5 was there मेरे बच्चे. So okay, x no coefficient was there, so that is 1 they have written. Y nothing was there, so 0 into y is equals to minus 5. Now minus 5 they will take this side, so 1x plus 0y plus 5. Now this is equation in two variable. So similarly we can do next part also. Just see next part, है ना. So next part में बच्चे see, y is equals to 2, यानी x term is not there, so we'll put 0 with x. Okay, y के साथ 1, and then 2 we will bring this side, because according to equation, our equation was कि ax, है ना, plus by and plus c. So this was my equation. That's why we have to change this given equation into this form. Okay, good. Now try, till I am rubbing this all, try next question. 2x equals to 3. Just try to write. हाँ जी, right? See, were you fine? Were you correct? Hopefully you all were correct. Good. Let's move to next slide. Now what are they saying? Okay, if I go to previous slide, so I was saying कि okay, here x value was minus 5, y is equals to 2. Somewhere they were solution. But if we have one linear equation in two variable, so how to find out the solution? solution means which will satisfy my line. So what are they saying? There is only one solution in the linear equation in one variable, but there are infinitely many solutions in the linear equation in two variable. What does it mean? Let's go to previous slide again. See, x equals to minus 5. It means this x equals to minus 5 is my value of x. That is solution only, answer only. Huh? But if we go to next slide, they are saying कि linear equation one variable में तो one solution we will be having. But जब two variables will be there, तो we will be having infinitely many solution. How? Just see. So let ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 be a given linear equation in x and y. Now, as there are two variables, the solution will be in the form of an ordered pair. But take care. Now my solution, my answer for this linear equation will be a ordered pair, x and y. Check. Now they are saying then a pair of values, one for x and one for y, which satisfy the given equation is called the solution. Means, what does it mean? Okay, we will be having any value like x equals to alpha. Alpha means 1, 2, 3, 4, 500,000, whatever real number, root 3, root 5, whatever. Okay, real number. And y is equals to also some other value. And when we will be putting these two values in this equation, then our LHS and RHS must be verified, must be same. Then we will say that this is ordered pair alpha beta is a solution of our given line. Clear? So let's have some examples for it. Like, show that x equals to 3 and y equals to 2 is a solution of linear equation 2x plus 3y. So what did we talked about in previous slide? Ki whatever value of x that we have to put instead of x, whatever value of y we have to put instead of y, then our LHS and RHS must be satisfied. So let's see now. Just see. Given equation is 2x plus 3y minus 12 equals to 0. Now substitute x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. So after substituting, just see. 2 3 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, minus 12, 6 plus 6 minus 12, 0. They are equal. So we'll say कि 3 2 ordered pair is a solution of this equation. ठीक है बच्चे? So, but now the question is, if points are not given, they have given only equation 2x plus y is equal to 7 and they are saying find the solution. Find the solution. How to find? How will know कि this point will satisfy this equation? तो बच्चे, for in such cases we have to assume the value of one variable. Second variable will come by calculation like this. Just see. What are they saying? We have the equation, so we will assume x equals to 0. So just put x equals to 0. We have assumed. You can take x equals to 1, x equals to 2, whatever you want you can take. I have taken for my convenient x equals to 0. 2 into 0 plus y is equals to 7. We will solve y7 will come. So my point will be x0 I assumed, y7 it came out. Similarly, I can assume for y also. Here I have assumed y is equals to 0. So just put 0 instead of y. 2x plus 0 equals to 7. So x equals to 3.5. So this ordered pair will be 3.5 comma 0. Hopefully this is clear. Now this is exercise for you people. You have to find 4 solution and here you have to check whether these given points are solution of it or not. You do it, ask your questions, queries in comment box, try in lesson plan. You will get more theory about it. You can cross check. Now next, one more thing. To find the value of unknown, if solution of equation is given, and now they will be giving you solution of equation. Solution already they are giving. So, like example 1, just see. If x equals to 2 and y equals to 1 is a solution, they are telling us solution. But we have one more variable k. X and y must be there. This is our equation into variable. But this variable we have to take out. Okay? So what will we do? We will put x equals to 2, y equals to 1 in the equation. है ना? देखो इसमें 2 के बदले हाँ here 2x is there बेटे So instead of 2x you will put what? 2. And here is y. Instead of y what will you put? 1. ठीक है, तो 2 2 जा 4 प्लस 3 1 जा 3 7. तो my k value is 7. Just see till I'm doing clear it. Okay, next. Just see. Now x value is again in k, है ना, y is also in k, and this is the solution of this. Then you have to find the solution. Same x value we will put. X k, instead of x we will put 2k minus 1. Y k instead we will put y equals to k. Put in equation, you will find k value. ठीक है बच्चे, just see once, do it, repeat, listen it 2-3 times, then you have to try this exercise by 2 questions by yourself. Okay, so try it and then do all questions given in assignment in your lesson plan A. Thank you class, thank you very much.